P&O Cruises Aurora, P&O's oldest and smallest cruise ship. I created a 3D model of her using Autodesk Fusion from the deck plans, photos and drone shots. I then printed out a 1:1000 scale version of her on a BambuLab H2C printer in 11 colours. The print took about 7 hours to complete. I have published the 3D files for free download on Makerworld.com. How about a multi-part 1:500 scale version? Decks are split into 3 parts, which are then joined together with a joiner part known as a springy T. The top decks are then fixed in place with M4 cap head bolts. How about a tiny 1:2000 scale version? Or an even smaller 4000 scale version? The 3000 scale quite nice too. But if you want clear text, 2500 scale, probably the smallest you can go.